Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Finally, we received the Haylou Watch S6 Smartwatch. It is the latest smartwatch from the Haylou company, and if I'm not mistaken, I think it is the most affordable smartwatch from Haylou. And on this video, we are going to have the unboxing review of the Watch S6 Smartwatch. We will check its design, the specs, as well as the UI. So if you are interested to see the details on the Watch S6, watch this video as we will have an unboxing review of its design and its specifications. Again, if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Alright, so let's begin and explore the Haylou Watch S6 Smartwatch. So we do have some details here. Dual core 2-in-1, similar to the RS5. So we have a color black Haylou Watch S6, and we have some specifications here. So let's focus on the specs. So 2.01 inch high definition display, voice assistant here. We do have a Bluetooth call, health monitoring, 7 days of battery life, and 120 plus workout modes. Wow. And it's using the Haylou Fun app. We have the battery here, 270 mAh. So it is the HF010 model. Power in self. Haylou Watch S6. Okay. Then this is very affordable. I think it is just less than $20 if I'm not mistaken. Okay. So let's remove the plastic cover here. Okay, let's see if Haylou will not disappoint us. The price of this wearable is very cheap. We do hope that they still have a very good quality, even though the price is very affordable. Okay, Watch S6 Smartwatch. Let's check it out. Okay, let's remove this first. Again, we have the black color. And let's push this out. We still have other stickers. None. So we have here the smartwatch, and with the strap attached. So we have a flexible silicone strap here. Okay, again, these are the contents. We have the smartwatch with the strap. We have the pogo pin, charging cable, USB type A, and we have the Haylou Watch S6 user manual. So very simple packaging. And we have a sporty smartwatch here. So here are the contents. Okay, again, smartwatch with the strap attached, the user manual available in English, and we have a pogo pin, USB type A, charging cable. Okay, then next, let's check on the design, the dimension, and the weight of the smartwatch. Okay, so let's have a closer look at the design here. Let's remove this first. 2.5D tempered glass, I think. Okay, we do have a plastic body here, plastic frame. Okay, with a bit of curve design here. Then the back plastic also. And we have a crown button, sent left or right. Okay, crown button on the center, and we have a flexible silicone strap. Okay, let's check first the strap here. I don't like the strap, to be honest. Feels cheap. But anyway, let's see. 21.7 I guess this is 22, I think. Okay. Then let's try to remove it. So very easy to remove. Let's have another measurement so we can make it sure. So 21.8. Okay. Or shall we say 22. Okay, so it's around 22, I think. Then we'll attach it again. Okay. Then for the thickness here, not including the sensor, so it is around 9.9. Okay, that's okay. For the width, let's check. So it is 38.3. Again, let's make it sure. Yes, 38.3. For the length here, it is around 47.9 or 48, shall we say 48. Okay, so medium size smartwatch. Okay, with a sporty looking design, plastic body frame, a centered crown button. I hope this is rotary. Okay, then let's check. So this one, this is metal. So we have again 37.98. Okay, so around 38 grams. So very lightweight smartwatch. But please take note that the body frame is plastic with a somewhat like a semi-brush finish. There's some curve here to give it a unique look. And we have here the size of the wearable on my wrist. It's okay, medium size. Again, for the specifications, 2.01 high definition display. So there's a voice assistant, there's the support for Bluetooth call, 7-day battery life, 30 days for the basic usage. Typical usage is 7 days. Okay, the battery capacity is 270 mAh, 120 plus workout modes. So let's turn it on and check on the UI. Power on, Haylou. Okay, English. The Haylou Fan app, scan code to repair. Without connection, some features will be limited. Still continue. Okay. I guess it's okay. This one, let's check. Okay, so it's not a rotary button for this one. It's not moving. Let's see with the menu. No, it's not. Okay, so this is just a home and power on button. Okay, for the UI, let's check first the watch face here. Let's change it so we can see the border. It's a bit thick. I think it's on the bottom part compared to right and left and the upper part. So the block border on the bottom part is a bit thick, I think. But you cannot notice it because the black is very good here. Very black. Then for the UI, on top we have the settings here. Another options on the bottom part. I guess it's notifications. Yes. On the left side, we have the workout and different widgets. I guess it's the same also with the right side. Yes. Okay, it's just a rotating widgets. You can add your own, I think. And pressing the power button here, it shows the menus and features. Okay, again, let's have a closer look at the design here of the new Haylou Watch S6 Smartwatch. It is the latest smartwatch from Haylou. Okay, so far it is simple, sporty looking smartwatch, lightweight, and what I'm impressed about here, is the 7 days battery life for the typical usage and 30 days for the basic usage. The screen display is okay, very bright, and we do have 120 plus workout modes. It is also using the Haylou Fan app, similar to RS5. Very good brightness display, and as you can see here, the black is very dark. Okay, I like the color also. Okay, so that's it for the unboxing review of its design, the specs, and the UI of the Haylou Watch S6 Smartwatch. For more review of its menus and features, watch our second video. Again, like, share, and subscribe.